Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get good quality on TikTok. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. Well, sometimes when you upload a video on TikTok, it gets blurry or have a boot. So, to make sure that you upload a high quality or good quality videos on TikTok, all you need to do is first make sure that your camera on your phone is taking pictures or making videos in a good quality. And the second thing that you can do is open your TikTok account. Now, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three-dash menu icon given at top right corner of your screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on this option Data Saver. And make sure that this Data Saver option is enabled. So everyone, this is how you can get good quality on TikTok.